Do I need a seller's permit if I have an LLC? Forming an LLC, a limited liability company, and obtaining a seller's permit are two completely different types of business registrations, each for different purposes. In some cases, your business may need both. An LLC is a limited liability company. This is a type of business entity. When you form an LLC, you are creating a new business recognized by your state as something completely separate from your personal self. This requires registration with your Secretary of State and several other requirements in order to form an LLC and then keep it compliant. If your business will be selling tangible goods to your customers, then you will also need to obtain a seller's permit. A seller's permit is another type of business registration, which is also done on the state level. A seller's permit grants the holder permission to sell or resell tangible goods to customers in a particular state, as well as collect and remit sales tax through sales and use tax returns. While each state has its own unique requirements as to who must hold a seller's permit, generally, most states will want you to hold a seller's permit if you hold a business presence in that state, sell to customers in that state, or hold inventory for tangible goods in that state. This includes Amazon FBA warehouse items. A seller's permit application is not included in your LLC paperwork and registration, since not every business will be selling tangible goods, and seller's permits are issued by a different department. In some states, exceptions are made for those businesses that are selling on a third-party platform if that platform collects and remits the sales tax for you. In this case, the sales tax money never enters your hands, but it is collected and filed in sales and use tax returns by that third-party selling platform. This is known as a marketplace facilitator. However, these rules vary from state to state, and many states do aggressively seek out those who hold inventory in their state through warehouses such as Amazon FBA and do issue penalties for not holding a seller's permit. If in doubt, contact the State Department of Tax and Fee Administration and ask about your unique situation. In most cases, you can obtain a seller's permit and file a sales and use tax return documenting your marketplace facilitator sales, but you will not owe that additional sales tax since it has already been collected.